Hey you! Yeah, you're in the back, scrolling through your phone. This message is for you, the dreamers, the wishful thinkers, the ones who keep telling themselves success will just magically fall into their laps. Wake up! This ain't some fairy tale. This is the real world, where opportunity dances with grit and sweat, not fairy dust and rainbows. Do you think that amazing body at the gym, shredded like steel, just sprouted out of thin air? Hell no! They bled in the Iron Temple and sacrificed nights out for protein shakes, all driven by a plan, a roadmap to their sculpted glory. And guess what? Building wealth is no different. Do you want the financial equivalent of those ripped abs? Forget patience. That's just a fancy word for sleepwalking into servitude. You gotta plan, hustle, and grind until your fingertips bleed ambition. I see you out there, saving every penny, pinching your life into a budget so tight it suffocates joy. I'll be rich at 60, you whisper, eyes glazed with a future mirage. Newsflash, buddy, you won't spend those millions reliving your youth. Time, that's the real currency, and you're frittering it away on some distant hope. Ditch the patience trap. It's a lie peddled by those who profit from your stagnation. You are not born to be a slave to spreadsheets and retirement calculators. You were built for fire, for chasing dreams with reckless abandon. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and craft a plan that makes your soul sing, a plan that lights your eyes with the hunger for something bigger. Work with a ferocity that scares your doubts, a hustle that makes the clock beg for mercy. And remember, every time you stumble, every time you fall, it's just another push-up on the road to your financial six-pack. This ain't about magic, folks. This is about raw will, strategic smarts, and a burning desire to break free from the shackles of mediocrity. Are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Then let's go.